Let's change the axis directions. From coordinates panel, choose front. Draw a rectangle 4 feet by 2 feet according to ventilator dimension. Draw a line on wall edge to locate a midpoint. Copy the rectangle onto the wall. Choose rectangle midpoint as a base point and click on line midpoint. Use presspull command. Click inside rectangle and push to create a hole. Now let's draw the ventilator model. Offset the rectangle inside by 3 inches. Draw a horizontal line and offset it on both sides by 1 inch. Erase the middle line and trim. Now join all the lines. Copy the inner rectangle. Press pull the shape by 2 inches. Extrude the rectangle by 1 inch. Now let's change the colors. Copy the glass box into the frame. Using 3D rotate command, rotate the glass by 45 degrees. Now make a copy of the glass. Go to Visualize tab, select Materials command and apply the materials. Move ventilator and place it in the wall. Make a copy of it.